everyone. Welcome back to the English Flow podcast. I'm Ella.
And I'm Sam. We're so happy you're here today. Great job for showing up to practice your English. Really, well done.
Today, we have a super fun topic. We're talking about travel. Yes, travel. Places you want to go, how you travel, and simple travel phrases you can use in real life.
And don't worry, we keep everything A2 level. Short sentences, clear examples, and lots of repetition so you can learn real English slowly and easily.
Before we start, remember to like, subscribe, and click the bell. It helps our channel grow, and it helps you get more free English practice.
All right, are you ready? Let's talk about travel.
Let's start with some simple travel words. We say them slowly. You listen. Then we talk about them together. Here are the first words.
Trip, travel, holiday, vacation, flight, hotel.
Let's repeat them. Listen first. Trip,
Travel,
holiday,
vacation,
flight.
hotel.
Great job. You're doing amazing already. A trip is when you go somewhere. For example, I took a trip to the beach.
Travel is the action. For example, I love to travel.
Holiday and vacation are similar. Holiday is more common in the UK. Vacation is more common in the US. Example, I'm on holiday, or I'm on vacation.
A flight is when you travel by plane. Example, my flight is at 10 a.m.
And a hotel is where you stay. For example, we booked a hotel near the city center.
Nice work. Let's say them again. Stay with us. Repetition helps your brain learn.
Let's talk about places you can visit. These are simple and useful words. City, beach, mountains, village, island, museum. Let's repeat them together. I'll say the word, you say it after me in your mind or out loud. City,
Beach,
mountains,
village,
island.
museum.
Great job. You're really improving.
Real-life examples. I like the city. It's busy and exciting. I go to the beach in summer. The mountains are quiet and beautiful. My family lives in a small village. I want to visit an island one day. We went to a museum last weekend.
And here are some personal examples. My favorite place is the beach. I love the sound of the waves.
I like mountains. I enjoy fresh air and long walks.
What about you? City? Beach? Mountains? Island? Think of your answer. Say it out loud if you can.
Now let's practice some easy travel questions. These are perfect for A2 conversations. Where do you want to travel? Why do you want to go there? How do you travel? Who do you travel with?
Let's answer them with simple, real examples. 1. Where do you want to travel? I want to travel to Japan. Why? Because I love Japanese food.
I want to travel to Italy. Why? Because I love pasta.
See? Short answers, easy grammar. You can do this too.
How do you travel? I travel by plane. I travel by car. I travel by train.
My example, I usually travel by bus. It's cheap and simple.
Who do you travel with?
I travel with my family.
I travel with my friends.
Sometimes I travel alone. I travel alone. And that's okay too.
Now you try. Take a moment and answer the questions in your own words. Say it slowly. Say it clearly. Great! Well done!
Let's learn some real travel phrases you can use anywhere. We say them first. You listen. Then we explain them. Useful phrases. I have a reservation. Where is the bus station? How much is a ticket? I need help, please. Can you speak slowly? I'm traveling for holiday. Explaining the phrases.
I have a reservation. You say this in a hotel or restaurant. Example, I have a reservation. My name is Sam.
2. Where is the bus station? A simple question for directions. Example, excuse me, where is the bus station?
3. How much is a ticket? Use this for trains, buses, or a museum. Example, how much is a ticket to the city center?
4. I need help, please. Useful for any situation. Example, I need help, please. I'm lost.
5. Can you speak slowly? This is great for English learners. Example, sorry, can you speak slowly?
6. I'm traveling for holiday. A simple sentence to describe your trip. Example, I'm traveling for a holiday with my family.
Great job! Let's repeat all 6 phrases again more quickly. Ready?
Together. I have a reservation. Where is the bus station? How much is a ticket? I need help, please. Can you speak slowly? I'm traveling for holiday.
Perfect! You're doing really well.
Now let's practice a short travel conversation. We'll keep it slow and simple.
You can listen the first time. Then we repeat it a second time. Try to shadow us. Speak with us.
Hi, where do you want to travel?
I want to travel to Spain
Why Spain?
because I love the beach.
How do you travel?
I travel by plane.
Nice. Who do you travel with?
I travel with my brother.
Repeat with us. Hi, where do you want to travel?
I want to travel to Spain
Why Spain?
because I love the beach.
How do you travel?
I travel by plane.
Nice. Who do you travel with?
I travel with my brother.
Amazing. You're doing great.
Let's give you more simple examples to help you speak better. 1. Talking about your dream trip.
My dream trip is to Canada. I want to see snow. I want to try ice skating.
My dream trip is to Thailand. I want to eat street food. I want to visit the islands.
I went to Paris last year. I saw the Eiffel Tower. It was beautiful.
I traveled to Turkey. I tried new food. I met new people.
I'm traveling next summer. I'm going with my cousin. I'm excited.
I want to travel next year. I want to visit 2 cities. I hope I can go.
You can repeat these with your own ideas. What place do you want to visit? Why?
Great. Keep going. You're doing amazing.
Let's quickly review the key vocabulary from today. Here are the most important words. Trip, travel, holiday or vacation, flight, hotel, city, beach, mountains, village, island, museum.
And here are the important phrases. I have a reservation. Where is the bus station? How much is a ticket? I need help, please. Can you speak slowly? I'm traveling for holiday.
You did a great job today. Really, be proud of yourself. Learning English takes time, but every small step brings you closer. And you're improving already.
If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like and subscribe. It helps us make more free lessons for you.
And now, your question for the community. Where do you want to travel next?
Tell us in the comments. We read every message.
Thanks for listening. See you in the next episode.
Bye.